Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we have Mixo, which is an amazing AI website creator in seconds. So before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can use to get extended trails and different type of exclusive benefits on Mixo using our link. So make sure to try that out. Alright, so now if you want to simply start up with a platform or a website, you can simply type in here, like for example marketing website with social media icons. We are going to be clicking on continue, then select what is your goal, like for example collect subscribers or get contacted, and click on generate. After a couple of seconds it will be loading up and just simply cooking some website ideas for you guys. So just give it a try and wait for a couple of seconds until it loads up. Here you can see it has created a platform, and you can already see how amazing this looks, guys. It has added some icons, and icons are super high quality. It has added various sections, like for example all of these text, shapes, and amazing looking platform is already here. I can get an idea to get started with, and yeah, you can also regenerate the style. So super amazing, guys. Make sure to give it a try and head over to the link in the description to get amazing discounts as well extended free trails on Mixo only using our link. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one.